All right, here we come to the 4th freight elevator at the MSC, which is known as the Memorial Student Center at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's a Dover. And look at this, custom impulse fixtures. This is amazing. Let's go to 2. The floor indicator is completely burnt out. Takes forever to level. All right, let's go into B. Big thanks to this nice employee for taking me on this. Here's your custom Dover impulse fixture. What the heck was that? There's your ADA compliant phone. Watch the button go out. And here we are at B. You can come out. And it just wants to shut on you. The Dover wants to shut on this guy right here. There it goes, and that's it.